Welcome to King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, or also known as KAUST. At KAUST, we strive to attract and develop top talent from the kingdom and around the world. The university allows its members to fulfill their intellectual potential in a state-of-the-art environment. KAUST is dedicated to maintaining the best academic and professional practices in its development and recruitment efforts. So how can you become a part of the innovation taking place at KAUST? Here's how. Step 1. Visit the KAUST website and click on the Apply Now button. Step 2. Once you click Apply Now and complete the VIP page, you will have access to your portal, which is where you can start your application and upload your documents. Application documents? Yes. To complete the KAUST application, you need the following: official university transcripts in English, 3 letters of recommendation, statement of purpose, CV, TOEFL or IELTS scores. Once you have these documents submitted, your application will be considered complete and forwarded to our KAUST faculty for review. Wait, there's more. The KAUST application process can take some time since there are multiple steps you must go through before you are admitted to the university. Once you submit all of the needed documents, your application will be forwarded to faculty for review. If your application receives faculty approval, you will enter the interview stage of the application process. During this stage, students can have up to 3 interviews. The first interview is the academic interview, where a faculty member will meet with you and discuss your academic background, test your depth and breadth of knowledge in your field. Depending on the program you are applying to, an exam might be required. The second interview is the personal interview. Community is a large part of KAUST, and during this interview, 2 of our KAUST staff will take 15 to 20 minutes to understand who you are as a person, from your academic aspirations to the hobbies you enjoy participating in. The third and final interview is the face-to-face interview. This is when you will be invited to meet in person with several members of our KAUST leadership to share your background, educational goals, interests, and STEM-related experiences. So hurry! What are you waiting for? Visit the KAUST website today and take your first step in joining a community of innovators and changemakers. We look forward to welcoming you to KAUST in the near future. Process may vary based on applicant eligibility and program.